Good morning, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Malalani Cameras.
You're concerned about the situation in Gaza. What are the hopes now to get the hostage?
She just became a big story today.
Anyway, guys, batingo basana ma update ngapo mamongo mango man. Tuyambila a Trump akuti okay. Iwo wa Trump akuti Iran ndio yavomera kuti nuclear si kind nuclear. Actually, it means zakale Iran kwambira kale. Inapeleka kale malamulo akuti sifuna kind nuclear. Endi akuti avomeranso Iran yavomera makamaka kupereka uranium. So izizindi according to Trump. Pacha Trump utu amayankhulaza mzambiri. Pakadali pano tudigira 20 ships of oil all the way from Iran. Tudigira into mastima 20 ochokera ku Iran amafuta. Amene ampatsa ngati gift. Mpaka pano pasanafikebe. Ankafika mande. Mpaka pano sanafikebe. So Trump amakamba zinthu zoti zaboza, like completely boza. Like, you understand what I mean? So sinama mbali ya Iran kuti mbali ya Iran ikamba kuti yani kuti Iran yavomera zopereka uranium uranium materials aja amagwisa chiro panga nuclear.
We're doing very well, I can tell you. Maybe it'll happen before that. I'm not sure it needs to be extended. Just so you know, Iran wants to make a deal, and we're dealing very nicely with them. We've got to have no nuclear weapons. If we do, that's a big factor. And they're willing to do things today that they weren't willing to do 2 months ago.
If there's no deal, would you be willing to extend the ceasefire, or will the fighting resume, Mr. President?
I would say the fighting. If there's no deal, fighting resume. Very important is that Iran does not have a nuclear weapon, and they've agreed to that. Iran's agreed to that, and they've agreed to it very powerfully. They've agreed to give us back the nuclear dust that's way underground because of the attack we made with the B-2 bombers. So we have a lot of agreement with Iran, and I think something's going to happen very positive.
So when you say awurero yeyo komanso China Trump awuri kuti athapira nawo ku Pakistan ku Islamabad Pakistan kukagambira nawo zama negotiations.
Would you ever go to Pakistan to seal the deal yourself?
I would go to Pakistan, yeah. Pakistan has been great. They've been so good. Islamabad, I might go. Yeah, I might go. If the deal is signed in Islamabad, I might go. The field marshal has been great. The prime minister has been really great in Pakistan. So I might go. They want me.
Yeah, Trump athapira nawo mene kucha. Kukagambirana nawo. Anyway, muli masemo. Nkhani ine imene yatuluka pano ndokhuza ndi Pete Hegseth amene ali Secretary of War. Mkulu ameneyu wadabwitsa wanthu ndithu pamene zapezeka kunzoti amapemphera pemphero koma pempherolo ndamfilimu la Hollywood. Mamudziwa Samuel Jackson, Black American, amene yapanga ma movies a Hollywood. So pa nthawi nake atenga futi ndikumapemphera zinthu zina zake zoti kumakhanga na pemphero la m'Baibulo koma kwinaku before asanamuombere like basi wetu makuti like zoboza zongopeka basi, you know, afterwards kana kumuombera munthu uja.
Ezekiel 25:17.
Ezekiel 25:17.
The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides
The path of the downed aviator is beset on all sides
by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men.
by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men.
Blessed is he who in the name of charity and goodwill shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness.
Blessed is he who in the name of camaraderie and duty shepherd the lost through the valley of darkness.
For he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children.
For he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children.
I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers.
And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to capture and destroy my brother.
And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
And you will know my call sign is Sandy 1 when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
So, si verse, kama zima mvenge ngati verse. It's only maybe kangono ko kakamene kalipo. Tikangana m'Bible. Mina tumawe tuwili. Ndiyo kwina kwanango khangara ngopeka oka. Okay? So, a Pete Hegseth, basi tukwerenga zinmezi chazo. Iza filimu zija. Osaliza Bible like, but za filimu zija. Ngoze bwisa nchino ngati vemphero. Pamene anthu amatani? Pina anthu avemphera. Yeye vemphera vemphero. Ndi anthu internet yangambiko mbili. Internet ya men akumuseko kuti Allah iwe. Imene ndi verse. No, that's not a verse. Ndiye panopa it's like zaonekera kuti even amisalaja amene ankafika panjigo angathink khani mene muidziwa kuti atunge madzi nchani kuwana mizandu. Bodza limene amaika mumafilimu aja nawo osamba sipawo likhulupiriraso bodza lija koma ligwiritsa ntchito. You understand? So it's actually matenda. So ma movies ambaso kabanga brainwash anu wake also. How come you getting given perlo this in Bible koma getting the film? Koma kumazibanga representing the Bible, mavesi and Bible. Okay. So, kanina imineti inga matsande bano. Mango yomaliza. Ndio kuti kwambia 2023. 2023, 2024, 2025. Zabeza kuona kuti 2026 bano. Zabeza kuti ma scientist aku America ukwana 10. One akumango soa kabena kuphedwa. Ma scientist ro nyukiliya. Zimene zimachitika ku Iran zija fa ku Iran ma scientist ambiri. Right? Mina ngati munaona ma scientist ambiri ku Iran mango phedwa bakwenda assassinated.
10 American scientists who have either gone missing or died since mid-2024. They all reportedly had access to classified nuclear or aerospace material. Is anybody investigating this to see if these things are connected?
I've seen the report, Peter. I haven't spoken to our relevant agencies about it. I will certainly do that and we'll get you an answer. If true, of course, that's definitely something I think this government and administration would deem worth looking into. So let me do that for you.
So zimene zizi zabeza zoti pakana kwambira 2023 wafika panopa 2026 masa aungophedwa anthu maungophedwa pena kusowa even 2026 wemwene 2025 anthu 10 onse ndiye anthu afuza Allah pali wina wake amene akupanga zimenezi kapena it's just bas coincidence kuti basi zangochitika koma pakana ma scientist 10 okha ngati saphedwa asowa ngati sasowa aphedwa ndezokhala banje zimene akhala kupanga ku Iran ku America sizambaso kuchitikaso. Now Trump akuti ayangana, they will look into it, ayangana kuti kuti zimene zokhala banje panopa kuti zimene zokhala banje. So we don't know. Kandidi kandemeneyo ndi breaking news kwambiri ku America, breaking news. We don't know situ zoti zongochitika kapena I mean, I don't know, but citizen of Hazard was going to final, you know, I'm going to pay them to shop. Okay. I don't know. I told Kalamuna Iran. Come out here and I've been beating me. I think I go Israel. There's now mad has minutes. So, anyway, Munimo Semo, Commando Aga for the tone of this Calibanch. Guys, thank you so much. Yeah, Malawi cameras.